Hi, this is Max from Abletontips, and today I will show you 5 tricks for better trap and hip-hop melodies. First trick will be about making sampled kind of vintage processing. We'll make it on a piano example, so let's find a piano here in our instruments section. Instrument rack, piano and keys, and I like to choose the grand piano. Now we'll need some MIDI material, so that's what I got. You can change the settings to make it soft a little bit more, change the tone and glue it a little bit together. We'll make it kind of radio sounding with cutting everything below 400 Hz and making this kind of peak EQ around 2K Hz. You can experiment with weird shapes around this area here. Now we want some vinyl/tape effect that we can easily achieve with delay. Set to time, 0% feedback, no filter, 100% wet. And now apply LFO. Set it to random, smooth 100%, depth to about 10%, increase the rate and map it to the left and right channel here. Now we'll need to offset it so it's around 3 milliseconds. It's quite better than isotope vinyl VST because you can customize it as much as you want. And we are left with some vinyl distortion. Not too much. We can also add some crackle. You can use it on any type of instrument or even melody loops. I'll set this track for you, and everything that we are doing today you can download as templates in the description below. Second trick is about making reverse melodies while preserving the harmonies. And here's what I mean. If you want to learn how to make this type of harmonies in a matter of seconds, check our full harmony bundle where we teach you everything you need to know about writing chords, progressions and melodies. So after we got this, we'll mark everything and click reverse. After that, you will see that we have a lot of empty space here, so you can take some of the harmonies and put them at the beginning, but it won't happen every time. After that, we'll freeze the track, add new audio track with Command or Control plus T and drag it over here. After that, we'll just hit R on our keyboard and that's what we got. This one is our student's favorite. And it got even easier in new Ableton 11. So here in our MIDI view, we have the new scale function. Here you'll find a lot of great scales, and you'll choose this area around here if you want to make Japanese hard dark trap beats. I'll choose this one, and as you can see, we'll use just the highlighted notes here. When you use such scale, I would suggest you go with super easy melodies such as this one, for example. Third one will be about adding movement to our melodies. So I have this melody loop bounced into audio so it's easier to play with it. So we'll add autopan, use 100% amount, phase to 0, set it to BPM mode and offset it to about 200 degrees so we start from the bottom and we got this. You can choose different modes. I like to go with sine wave in 1/8 rate. I like to freeze it to audio, bounce it here, change the warp mode to Complex Pro, and holding Shift and left click, drag it to change the tempo. And with slight processing, the fifth one is my favorite. So I take my old track or any loop sample that I like, add a new MIDI track with Command Shift T and drag it over here. Set it to slice mode and set back a little bit of the sensitivity. After that, using your keyboard, you can find great ideas. To get inspired even more, you can change the key of it. Let's hear it in the mix. If you'd like to learn how to use Ableton from ground up, we also got you covered. Don't forget to leave your topic idea in the comment section, like this video if you'd like to see more content like this, and subscribe to not miss out on it. See you in the next video.